It's hot, it's humid in Mumbai, and by the condition of my hair, you can probably tell what a sweaty Betty I am. But I take my scent routine very seriously, even if I'm at home, even if I'm going to work, which means at college, or I'm meeting new people. And what is the purpose of this video? Well, खुद सोच के देखो हम कितना थॉट डालते हैं इन पूजो, like this festival season about ये साड़ी पहनो, ये ब्लाउज पहनो, ऐसा मेकअप करो, ऐसा हेयर स्टाइल करवाओ. बट डू वी गिव एज मच थॉट टू द परफ्यूम, और इस परफ्यूम जस्ट इन आफ्टर मैथ कि जो पड़ा हुआ है वो लगा लो. मतलब फॉर मी इट यूज टू बी लाइक, हमारे घर में ऐसा होता था कि एक दो परफ्यूम होते थे and पूरा परिवार इज डाउजिंग इन द सेम. That's what I remember. And now I have my favorites. How times have changed. Anyway, so with the big girl money, I obviously made some purchases. Some hits, some misses. I want to tell you what to try out during this festive desi season. Let's go. ऐसे मुझे पसीने नहीं आएंगे, but I sweat on my upper lips, in my pits, and under boobs. I'm not gonna lie, under boobs are the worst. So here's what I do. It starts in the shower. I start with a KP scrub. It has these pumice like particles which really help me get everything out. Because my routine does not stop at that, in shower I have a recommendation. This is the Into the Night body wash. It is of raspberry, noir, raspberry, amber, velvety rose, creamy patchouli, and mocha musk. I didn't think I was such a big fan of musk, and I hated it. I'm not gonna lie. When I bought it, and I was like, "ये तो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा." But then I paired it with my YSL Libre Flower and Flames, particularly. That's the only one that I like. Really worked. But coming to the core sense of this video, I have two beautiful recommendations which are expensive as well as budgeted. The very first one is this favorite of mine, J'adore Dior, which I cannot pronounce, but this particular one, I'm going to even write it down. It is so beautiful. The notes, um, yeah, automatically when you are thinking of desi fits, matlab I like jasmine and tuberose and everything, but na jasmine मुझे बहुत overpower कर जाता है. Sandalwood also not my very like ऐसे go to वाले sense नहीं है. So I feel like just getting these is that subtle flavor because it has a slightly vanilla, fruity, musky, floral note, and it lasts so long. I love perfumes that last long. For me, I think that is extremely important, and I kind of layer that with. वैसे इसकी intensity काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, but I like to layer it with the rollerball oil. It is the same variant. It's just that इसकी intensity ज़्यादा होगी because it's in the oil format, and I also like to carry this, and I also like to carry this in my bag. So any of my pulse points, I'll kind of use this. So when you're hugging people, it almost lingers, and it's so beautiful. Like through the night, I feel like I say you keep on marinating in it, for the lack of better words. Another one which I got as a PR, which I'm very surprised. I've never got anything in PR. Is from Idol, Lancome Idol, and it's their latest Intense, the Lancome Idol Intense. And what really put me off, like reading about it before even I try, I open, I can sense sandalwood. तो मेरे लिए sandalwood थोड़ा सा overpowering, थोड़ा अगरबत्ती वो वाली होती है. But it's so beautiful, and it's so desi. It's so desi. If I have to wear an international perfume, an international label, a designer perfume which is desi, I would say it's this. It's intense in the most beautiful way, and it lasts so long. So even before making these videos, I try to wear them in the night and I see how long do they last the next day. Another experiment that I do is wear them through the work day and see अगर मुझे reapplication करना पड़ रहा है नहीं कर रहा है. So if you're looking for a desi something that you can wear for lehengas, and if you perspire too much, this is your go-to. Matlab blind buy. It has a very beautiful rose, but it also is combined with a creamy sandalwood. I hope I'm putting it right. इसी चक्कर में I was like कि okay, let me try on some new budget perfumes also, and I've been looking for some clean perfumes. So that's where I came across Secret Alchemist. The promos look really good, and I really like the branding and everything. So I bought not one but two. I got I got their bergamot nostalgia and a rose oud. Now, what I can say is, as soon as soon as I opened this one up, I didn't like it, and I'm a big like citrus girly because all my very casual day-to-day perfumes are from Calvin Klein's unisex, and which are very very citrusy. They'll have a touch of amber. Oh, I did not do that right. ASMR तो मतलब मुझसे नहीं होगा. Okay, guys. I really just want to read the label. Okay, yeah. So I love the bottle. The bottle is beautiful, and you really get your worth in that price range. So I think it's amazing. It says awaken, heal, and balance. Top notes: it's bergamot, cherry blossom, and sandalwood. I think this is the kind of sandalwood that I don't like, which is why I'm not a big fan. But agar if you really like sandalwood, then you should go for it. It has that burst of citrus, so it'll stay on well. Love the bottle, love the design. इसका ये कोई पेड वेड नहीं है, मैं बस खरीद के बात करना चाहती थी. And I like that they're so transparent about everything. Although I would hate to open up boxes like that, but I saw Samantha do it in a reel, so I was like, this is what I want to do. There's no synthetic dyes, no parabens, so I really like it. But the perfume that I really liked and enjoyed was their Rose Oud. And Oud, I am an okay fan. Since the last time I was in Dubai, that's where I was like, oh, so that is what Oud smells like. So yeah, I think that perspective's changed a lot for me. For this, the top notes are pink pepper, Turkish rose, and oud, and all the three notes that I really, really like. Yeah, I love that it opens up in that nice pink pepper. वो hit जो है ना, I think it's my favorite spice to eat, to apply. I also really enjoy vetiver, but for this particular one, I would say that they're great for. I keep them. I will be keeping it on my desk, not carrying it in my bag, because this definitely needs a reapplication every 3 hours or so. But what I would love is to actually think about pairing it. Then I would start obviously जो मेरी routine में है, and then I will go with this, and I will go with the J'adore oil, and I think that will kind of make it last a lot more longer. Like additional cheese I want to tell you, and this was an accidental find. I've ordered my restock from the Tira sale right now. This one is called the Furla Magnifica, and iske notes I'll mention somewhere here. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Yeah, it's so light, so dainty, like very feminine energy. तो ये सारे recommendations कहीं ना कहीं were from a range of budget to expensive जो आप खरीद सकते हो. I would say minis are a great way to, see if you like the scent profile or not. क्योंकि मेरे साथ ये होता है कि कुछ दिनों बाद अगर मैं full size खरीद लूँ, then I'm like कि ये तो मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा. So I first buy a travel mini, and then kind of it's easy to put it in your bag as well. So I really really enjoyed this. Iske notes were also, and they stay pretty okay on me. So if you are somebody who is like me, same body type या फिर same vata, I would say, sweat करते हो आप, humidity बर्दाश्त नहीं होती है. So these would be my top recommendations. Another thing that I want to do as a glow recommendation for you, I love my glowy products. So I also ordered the Into the Night body butter, and I thought ki, I'll layer on the scent and everything. But this obviously smells great and smells exactly like the body wash. But इसमें है glitter. The glitter is not fine for sure. It's very, very chunky, but it smells divine. Like it really does smell. It really does smell divine. इसका ग्लिटर ऐसा है जो दूसरे दिन भी नहीं निकलेगा. सो अगर आप पूजो फेस्टिविटीज इन सब के लिए लगा रहे हो देन तो it's a win, I feel like, because it really stays on your skin. You smell fantastic. But yeah, the glitter is really hard to come off. So I would say this is a great recommendation, but only wear it when you know कि 2-3 दिन तक मुझे चलेगा अगर मैं चमको बन के घूमती हूँ. That was it for this video. Let me know if you like these kind of scent layering batuni wali videos. Until next time, bye.